There we go. First cast after I changed my jig head size. Green sunfish. I was getting a lot of bites right here in front of me. Oh, see you, buddy. And throwing this little Yum Grub. I think it's like a green pumpkin with like a bunch of red and green flakes on them. I think it's a Christmas pattern. I'll have to check later, but yeah, downsized my jig head and first cast with the smaller jig head and I get a fish. So let's see if we can get some more. There we go. Looks like it's gonna be a hole of green sunfish kind of day. But we'll definitely get into some bass eventually. I'm liking this little grub though. I was wanting to imitate a crawfish, and I actually don't have too much crawfish imitators on me. And found this little grub buried in my bag, and seems like it's gonna do the trick. A little green sunfish. See you, buddy. There's one. Another green sunfish. I had to climb past this tree over here to the left to get to this next spot, and I feel like I might have scared a lot of the fish away because I didn't realize it was so shallow over here to the right over here. But I don't know. Hopefully I didn't spook the bass away, and maybe I can get one. Oh, that's cool. I'll take that. I've actually been wanting to catch a creek chub. Just something different. He's got some parasites or something all over him. Whatever all those little black dots are. That's cool though, I'll take it. He got that little grub all in his mouth. Little creek chub. See you, bud. Oh, that's a bigger fish. What is that? Ooh, another creek chub. And it's not as big as I thought it was. He kind of felt like he had some weight to him, the way he was kind of taking off with it. Another creek chub though, I'll definitely take that. So this is actually a really cool fishing spot. I've caught some fish in another video here. But basically, you know, you've got the flowing water over there and it's shallow, and then all of a sudden somewhere right out in here it drops off, and this is pretty much a deep little hole all throughout here, and it's just filled with all sorts of fish, and I'm pretty sure there's a bass in here somewhere. Hopefully I can get them. I've caught a smallmouth here once, so we'll see. Goes a different species. Getting a lot of little bitty pecks from stuff, and I guess it's these little guys. Little bitty long ear. Still hoping to run into a little bass at some point, but I'll take what I can get. See you, buddy. The little green sunfish, I made it over to my favorite little hole, little waterfall, or a little drain pipe waterfall thing over there. Really nice deep hole. There's another spot right here in front of me where the water comes in. Really nice place, just filled with a lot of different fish. Let's go and get a close-up of this little dude. So I got this little tripod and I want to get little close-ups so I can get a better look at these little cool fish. Awesome little green sunfish. But yeah, let's put them back. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't you come off, baby. Yes. Let's freak. Okay. Oh, yep. Come on. Yes. We did it. Sorry, buddy, but I had to get you in. I've been catching a lot of green sunfish here and there. Wasn't gonna worry about putting those in the video. Don't want to bore y'all with a bunch of little green sunfish, but I've made it a pretty good ways down the creek and I finally got a bass. Let's go ahead and get a little close-up shot of this dude. Here we go. Awesome creek bass. Nice chunk. Nice little fight. Had to hurry up and get him in though because I didn't want him to get off. He did jump pretty high. I'm surprised the hook didn't come out, but let's go and put this dude back. See ya, buddy. Oh my goodness. That fish took off like a freaking rocket. Sorry, buddy. Holy crap. That bass was ticked. Huh. But that'll probably go ahead and be the last fish of the day. Thank you all for watching. Caught all my fish on this 2-inch Yum Grub Christmas tree colors. So yeah, really appreciate y'all watching. Let's put this dude back.